My name is Sam Guerra, and my project is over a nitrogen cycle and aquatic plant nutrient cycling. So um, let's get right into it. So, what is it? The nitrogen cycle is a biochemical cycle that describes the transformations of nitrogen and its compounds in the environment. So, it involves a good amount of processes. As you can see here, we have nitrogen fixation, assimilation, nitrification, ammonification, denitrification, and we will explain those in further detail. So, first thing we're going to talk about is nitrogen fixation. So, atmospheric nitrogen, or N2, is converted into ammonia, NH3, or related compounds, and biological nitrogen fixation is performed by certain bacteria and archaea, often symbiotically associated with plant roots. Example like legumes or rhizobium bacteria. So, nitrogen fixation. So right here it'll be converted into ammonia, NH3, and from ammonia it will go into the process of nitrification. So ammonia is oxidized by nitrite, NO2, by ammonia oxidizing bacteria. Let's see. Nitrite is further oxidized to nitrate by nitrite oxidizing bacteria. Example, nitrobacteria. So from nitrification, the ammonia will convert, and at that point it'll turn into nitrate, NO3, and then from there the process is assimilation. So plants and other autotrophs absorb nitrate or ammonium ions and incorporate them into organic molecules. For example, amino acids, nucleic acids, all that sort of stuff. And then one of the most important processes, ammonification, the decomposition of organic nitrogen compounds, proteins, nucleic acids, back into ammonia or ammonium ions by decomposers, bacteria, fungi. So, if you see here, ammonification, I'm sorry, this is different from the first one. So if you look here, the ammonification will go back into ammonia once the plant dies. So it'll all get reabsorbed, big cycle. And I think this is the last process that I have, denitrification. The conversion of nitrate back into gaseous nitrogen or nitrous oxide by denitrifying bacteria. Example, pseudomonas completing the cycle. So now we're going to talk about aquatic plant nutrient cycling. What is it? So aquatic plant nutrient cycling are processes by which nutrients are taken up, utilized, and recycled within aquatic ecosystems, particularly by plants living in water environments. These processes are essential for maintaining water quality, supporting aquatic life, and regulating overall ecosystem productivity. Key aspects of aquatic plant nutrient cycling include, get into those, nutrient uptake. Aquatic plants absorb nutrients, as you know, including nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and others from the water column and sediment. So you can see here in this little graph the nutrients being absorbed, phosphorus, potassium, nitrogen. Then we have release through release through decomposition. When aquatic plants die and decompose, nutrients are released back into the water column, making them available for other organisms. Kind of like the nitrogen cycle, right? And then we also have interactions with microorganisms. So interactions with microorganisms inside the aquatic plant nutrient cycle consist of like root zones of aquatic plants. They facilitate processes like nitrogen fixation and nitrification. And some aquatic plants form symbiotic relationships with nitrogen fixing bacteria, enhancing nitrogen availability in the ecosystem. And then there's also sediment interaction. So the role in sediment interactions, aquatic plants influence nutrient dynamics in sediments through root exudates and bioturbiation. So they can support oxygen to anaerobic sediments, enhancing nitrification and microbial processes. And also the buffer against eutrophication. By taking up excess nutrients, the aquatic plants can help prevent eutrophication, which the over-enrichment of water bodies with nutrients leading to algae blooms and oxygen depletion. As you can see here, this whole kind of swamp body of water has a thick layer of algae right over it. So and yeah, that's gonna do it. These are my sources, and thank you for watching, and that'll do it. Bye.